Do you even begin with the Cleveland Browns? You could go back to the story of Baker Mayfield, where after taking the team to a playoff win, he struggled the following years dealing with injuries, playing through injuries, and then was traded to Carolina so the team could trade 3 first-rounders for Deshaun Watson and give him over $200 million guaranteed. Now, since then, the Browns have clearly not bounced back. This season, Myles Garrett wanted to be traded from the team, and then they gave him, at the time, the highest non-quarterback contract in NFL history. And I just personally feel like a team that's already losing and already dealing with all these cap issues from what you gave Deshaun Watson, the last thing you need to be doing is extending a player to a long-term big money deal whenever you could trade him away and get a haul of draft picks. Now, I'm not a GM, so maybe they know what they're doing. I personally disagree, but the Browns have just been a poverty franchise for basically forever. So today we're going to be rebuilding the Cleveland Browns for 10 years. They have the 2nd overall pick. They could get a very good prospect from this year's draft. So that's what we're going to be doing, and we're going to try to see how far we can take this team and see if we can potentially win a Super Bowl. Leave in the comments if you think there's any chance the Browns will win a Super Bowl in the next 10 years.